Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I want to buy some fruits.
Sure. Which fruits would you like?
I need some apples and bananas.
Sure. We have red apples and green apples. Which one do you like?
I like red apples. How much are they?
They are $3 per kilo.
Okay, give me 2 kilos.
Okay, anything else?
Yes. Do you have bananas?
Yes, fresh bananas. $1 per kilo.
Great. I will take 1 kilo.
All right, your total is $7.
Here is $7.
Thank you. Have a sweet and great day.
Thank you. Goodbye.